Hey there, welcome back to Mr. Mews Music. I'm Anthony Meal. Let's get started on the teacher tips and tricks for Freddie Oka. Now, if you haven't already, please check out the game tutorial for Freddie Oka before you add all these extra things to it. So in this fun beat keeping game, there's a student that gets out at each round. So on whatever number you choose, if it's 10, they get their hands clapped and they're out. Now, they can get kind of bored in the middle, so I always give them an option. Once they go into the middle, they're the person that chooses the number that the next round goes to, so they can choose 2. So at the end of the song it would be Tika-Tika, oh no, 1, 2. There's also one more thing I like to do to get those kids that are inside the circle back out, so they get a chance to guess who it's going to end on. And if they guess correct, they get to go back out. And sometimes if I'm feeling nice, if they guess within 1 or 2 friends of the person they guessed, they'll get to go out. Once your kids are experts and they want to take it to the next level, there are 2 choices. You can have them audiate it, so they're singing the whole entire song in their head, even the counting, which gets really, really tricky at the end if you're the person that needs to get their hand pulled out. At this point, with audiating or just with singing, I also make the rule that if a student pulls their hand out from getting slapped and it's not the final number, so if the number is 6 and they pull their hand out on 4, they're actually going to be out, even though they weren't the last person to get their hand slapped. One final way I like to spice up Freddie Oka is having the students go completely reverse. So their right hand is on their hearts when they do or left hand is on their hearts for Pledge of Allegiance. They take their right hand out and they put their left hand on top of their neighbor's right. So the left hand's crossing over, Freddie Oka, quack, quack, quack. They'll probably think it's really strange and bizarre because they're used to using their right hand to do most of their things if they're right-handed. And it's a great tool to have that left hand cross over their midline. This final thing I would only recommend with the older children that can really maintain a steady beat and can stay focused. You can have it where the game isn't just one hand clapping around the circle. You can actually have it where multiple kids are starters. So I could be a starter here, and little Johnny could be a starter on the other side of the circle. So as the song starts, Freddie Oka, quack, 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 it's actually in 2 different spots around the circle, and it's going like this. Freddie Oka, quack, 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 and it's going around. Now, even if they get messed up, it's a good tool because if one clapper is starting to speed up the beat and the other is maintaining a steady beat, it winds up catching up to the other. And you can even use it as like a math tool. So, okay, the starter is here and the starter is here. They are 6, 7, 8 people away from each other. At the end of the song, it should wind up still being 8 people away from each other because they're keeping a steady beat. I hope this video has been helpful for you to extend the game for Freddie Oka for your classroom. If you have any questions, please comment below, and as always, stay up to date and subscribe. Thanks, bye-bye.
Freddie Oka, quack, quack, quack. Let's go, Tico, tickety-tack. Let's go, Tico, oh no, 1,